This is my beautifully crusted mackerel. It's so succulent and juicy. This is beautifully stuffed with fresh coconut and herbs, and it has a beautiful caramelized crispy skin. Let's get it done. To make marinade, take ginger garlic paste, mix it with turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, cracked black peppercorns, salt and lemon juice. Now add splash of oil and give it a mix. And I'm cooking this recipe with mackerel sourced from Shetland waters. You can always use fish of your choice like sardines and even the sea bream. Now carefully and gently apply some cuts on this mackerel. Now marinate this beautiful fish with the spice paste and make sure you go deep in the cuts and the cavity as well. Now you have a beautiful marinated mackerel. Keep it in the fridge for about 20 minutes and make the stuffing. In a blender jar, add freshly grated coconut, peeled garlic cloves, peeled ginger, few mild green chilies, fresh curry leaves, roughly cut onion, fresh coriander leaves, half lemon and salt. And then put the lid on and grind these herbs into a paste like this. Now put a pan on a heat and add melted coconut oil. Let it heat up and then add the spice paste into it. Now cook the stuffing for about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook the stuffing, we're just trying to get the rawness out of the ingredients. Now keep stirring and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes or until the moisture has evaporated. Now let it cool down a little. Once cooled down, stuff the fish cavity with the stuffing. And now coat it with coarse semolina. It should look like this. Now put a pan on a medium heat and add melted coconut oil. Let it heat up on a medium to low flame and carefully add your fish in it. Do not disturb your fish at this point. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side and then gently, carefully flip it over. And now carefully and gently flip it over after 3 to 4 minutes. If you look at this, you have a beautifully caramelized crispy skin on one side. Now cook this mackerel from the other side for about 3 to 4 minutes and you will have a beautiful spiced, crusted, stuffed mackerel. And in about 4 minutes you have beautifully crusted and stuffed mackerel ready.